when does the shift takes place in the PPC curve? So I said the change will be in both the commodities, guns and butter. Now suppose there is upgradation in the technology or there is increase in the resources in the economy. So either there is upgradation in the technology or increase in resources of the economy. This will obviously improve the productive capacity of the economy. So when it is improving the productive capacity of the economy, the production will increase as well. Thus, when the production is increasing, as the change is for both the commodities, the production will increase for both the commodities, guns and butter. And this will shift the PPC curve to the right. So this is how the PPC curve is shifting to the right. Initially it was PP. As the technology upgraded or the resources in the economy increased, the productive capacity of the economy increased, and thus the PPC curve shifted towards the right. Means it shifted towards outwards. You can say also outwards. So it shifted towards the right or outwards, and thus it shifted, and the new PPC curve is P1, P1. And you know that we are measuring butter in the horizontal axis and guns on the vertical axis. Whenever you draw the diagram, you have to label the axis, as well as x and y has to be named, as well as on which axis you are measuring what, and it should be named properly with arrows and everything, otherwise marks will be deducted. Okay, proper diagrams will score you good marks. Now, when does the leftward shift in the PPC happens? Obviously the vice versa will happen. There will be a degradation in the technology or less amount of resources, decrease in the resources in the economy. So due to this, the productive capacity of the economy will fall down. As the productive capacity of the economy will fall down, obviously the production of both the commodities will also fall down, because the decrease in resources or degradation in the technology is for both the commodities. So when productive capacity is falling down of the economy, the production of both the goods will also fall down. Now the leftward shift will be towards, means it will be inwards. See, this is the PP curve and is shifting downwards. So it is the new PP curve is P1, P1. So there is an inward movement when there is decrease in the production or decrease in the productive capacity of the economy. Inward movement or a downward movement in the PPC curve. Okay. Now we will be talking about the rotation of the PPC curve. Okay. So what did I say? In case of rotation, upgradation or degradation in technology or increase or decrease in resources of the economy will happen only for any one of the good. That is for either guns or butter. Okay. Now how does this rotation takes place? Now suppose there is increase in the resources or upgradation in the technology for butter. So if there is upgradation in technology or increase in resources for butter, what will happen? The butter production will increase, not the gun production. So when there is increase in the butter production, how will this PPC curve rotate? See, the PPC curve will rotate in this way. Can you see? See, this is the way. So this was AB was my initial PP curve. When there was increase in resources or upgradation in technology for the butter that we are measuring in the horizontal axis, so only for one good it is increasing. So this will shift the PP curve outwards for butter. And see, this is the rotation. For the guns it is fixed at A. For butter it increased from B to C. Okay. Now similarly vice versa, if there is a downgrade, if the technology degrades or there is decrease in the resources, then what will happen? Productive capacity will fall down. So there is inward movement or leftward movement of the PP curve for the butter. So see, A is fixed, that means the production of guns is fixed, only that of butter has decreased from B to D. This is the rotation. Now similarly, if I have for guns, suppose the resources for guns has increased or there is upgradation of technology for the production of guns. So the production of guns will increase. C. The butter production is constant at B. AB was my initial PP curve. The butter production was constant at B. Now it increased to C. So my new PP curve is BC. C. It has increased from A to C. Now if it has fallen, now if the resources has fallen down or the technology has decreased for guns, production of guns will fall down, so there will be a leftward shift in the PP curve. Butter production is constant. See the dotted lines, only the gun production has fallen down from A to D. So this is the rotation of PP curve. Okay, so this is how, keeping one commodity fixed whose technology and other things are not changing, we are changing the production of the other commodity, or the production of the other commodity is changing. Okay, so this is rotation. In case of shift, both will move. In case of rotation, one will move. Now